How to check order history on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure that you update the Facebook app. Tap on it to launch the app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, and choose Orders and Payments option. Now here you will see all your order related activities. This includes pending or completed orders as well as donations or money. Transfer activities. You can also tap the card icon at top right corner of the screen in order to view your order list. Since I haven't ordered anything, my card is empty. So in this way you can simply check order history on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.